Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the good, the bad, and the in-between of the tools you're thinking about buying. Today, we're taking a close look at the HEVIDUBANA antenna mast clamp. A double pipe connection bracket designed for pole-to-pole mounting. Let's see if it lives up to the promise. Right out of the box, you'll find two identical clamps made of iron and plated with a colorful yellow zinc coating. And it's not just for show. This zinc finish gives it that necessary protection against rust, making it suitable for harsh outdoor environments. Also included are two extra flange nuts and a handy wrench, which is a small but thoughtful touch. The design is smart. That V-jaw gripper right here is precisely molded to lock into round pipes securely. The clamp can fit pipe diameters ranging from 1 inch to 2.4 inches, or roughly 25 to 61 millimeters. So whether you're connecting a TV antenna mast to an old water pipe or a flagpole, this bracket should adapt without a hitch. Installation is simple. You place one bracket on each side of the pipes, align the V-jaws, insert the bolts through the slotted holes, and secure them using the included nuts. With the included wrench, you don't need any extra tools, which is great for DIY users. The alignment holes are well positioned, and the threading feels solid, no cross-threading or sloppy threads here. Weather resistance is always a question with metal hardware, and this clamp stands up to the challenge. The zinc coating isn't just cosmetic. After exposing it to simulated rain and outdoor conditions, there was no immediate sign of rust or wear. That's a strong signal that these clamps will hold up long-term, even in humid or coastal environments. Use cases? There's plenty. This clamp isn't limited to antennas. You can use it to attach masts for ham radios, security cameras, outdoor lighting setups, and even for temporary mounting like event tents or signage. The adjustability is a huge win, especially for those working with slightly odd-sized poles. In terms of strength, these brackets handle stress well. We tightened them onto steel pipes and applied moderate force, no slipping, no bending. For a sub-10-ounce bracket, that's impressive. The iron core gives it the strength, and the coating ensures it stays protected. So, what's the verdict? For the price, the HEVIDUBANA antenna mast clamp delivers durability, ease of installation, and flexible use across different setups. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional installer, or someone just trying to boost their TV signal without hassle, this bracket is well worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss our next product deep dive. Until next time, keep building smarter, not harder.